Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a review of this steam cleaning brush for the grill. As you see it, I have it soaking over there. It comes in this package, Cuisinart. It's a steam cleaning brush. You get a bonus cleaning head in there, and this is the package that it comes in. It says you soak it, which I'm soaking it. You steam it, and then it cleans. Also, it comes with instructions if you want to read those instructions. I'm going to get that grill up to about 300, 350, somewhere like that. It should be up there about now. Yeah, it's a little bit warmer than 350, but we're going to go on with this review of this Cuisinart steam cleaning brush. As you can see, the package that it comes in and the brush. Let me see, can I get that brush and show you how it looks. I got it soaking over here in the water. This is how the brush looks. This is a handle. So I'm going to go ahead, give it a good soak. And we're going to go ahead and see how it works. Okay, it seemed to be getting that grime off of it. Let me get out of the way. I'm going to soak it one more time and we're going to redo it again, okay? I'm going to go this way. This brush also have this on here in case you want to scrub it somewhat like this. If you have some heavy duty grime, you can use this part to scrape, and this is the part that has to clean the grates on here. We'll do it one more time. We're going to even do this up here. One thing they say about when you're cleaning this, don't let your brush dry out, okay? Keep it soaked, and you just keep it. Okay. So far, it's looking pretty good. I'm okay with this brush. To get these clean, brush it real good. And it steams that grime and old food left off of there. I don't think you want to do it too much and take all of your season off the grill. So overall, let me see, can I get a close up? Let's see, can't we get a little bit closer? But overall, it cleaned it. I think it cleaned it pretty good. So I'm gonna see, can I move the camera up a little bit close on it? So really, it cleaned it pretty good. So overall, this Cuisinart steam brush cleaner, if you can see it, it works pretty good. So we'll give it a thumbs up. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.